How to delete recently played on Spotify. Hi everybody, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to delete recently played on Spotify easily in this tutorial. So first of all guys, open up your Spotify application, and as you can see I have my recently played, and I think everybody would have recently played songs at the top of your screen. So if you want to get rid of it, all you need to do is to go straight to your settings and scroll all the way down until you find social. From over here we have two options. The first option is the one that will allow you to hide your recently played, which is a private session. What you can do is you can start a private session and listen to music privately, and also there will be no recently played history. Also guys, there's another way around that to hide your recently played is by log out of your account and re-log in again. So yeah guys, that is basically how to delete recently played on Spotify. If you guys found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, take care, until next time.